channel. I am Sandy if you're new, and I invite you to subscribe. Today's video, I am doing a flip through of this Minnie Mouse Disney journal that I made. And you can see the fabric is just this darling little mini fabric, front and back. I have the hidden spine, and we have the removable spine dangle that I like to do. And this one has a vintage button. It also has Minnie Mouse, or the ears, Mickey Mouse ears button. Here we have a pretty little rose, and then another bead here, just a really pretty little bead. And we have a vintage button here, and some more Minnie Mouse ears in white. And we have this really sparkly heart. And then we have this Dumbo button. And then this key with the Mickey Mouse ears on them. And then you have some different lace and some different fabric trims and some different strings. So all kinds of fun little items on that spine dangle. And I like to make mine removable so that when the journal is open, it lays flat. All right, so let's take a look at the journal. It is 3 signatures. I have the page protector or corner protectors on the front and the back. All right, we'll open it up. Beautiful, beautiful papers that were used in this journal. Here we have a cut apart that we've put on the front of the first signature, and it is a side tuck and has some fun little embellishments inside the pocket there. And here we have some more fun little embellishments put in here. I did a lot of sewing on many of the pockets. Here we have a belly band with some embellishments in here. We have some lace trim and some more sewn pockets here. And we have a little vintage postcard in here. Here we have another little belly band, and this is sweet little paper. It's like a pop-up paper, and I thought that would be perfect for on the belly band. More sewing details. Here I added some wrapping paper with all the Disney princesses in there. So this would be a wonderful gift for a granddaughter or for even your own child. If you have a trip coming up to Disney World, it's a great way to capture all the memories. In the middle of this first signature, we have a little Minnie Mouse button charm right here. And then I have several different fun little embellishments in the pockets in the middle of the signature. Some more trim. And this is the back side of the signature. We have some more fun little beautiful little princess paper. So all sorts of things you can collage with or make tags out of or decorate some of the pages. So lots of options, and you got plenty of room to play. Great to put photos on some of these pages of your trip to Disney. Some more embellishments, sewing details. So that's the first signature. The second signature here, more little embellishments and sewn pockets. I did the fun little zigzag and straight stitch. Here is a sweet little coin envelope, Minnie Mouse on the cover. Tons of room for decorating, more lace trim, more embellishments, more pockets. Cute little side tuck. You gotta have Pluto in there. Fun little embellishments. Sewn pockets. Here's sweet little Minnie. And we have, and away we go. Cute little embellishments. And then on this one we have a heart button. And look at that cute little sticker. And there's a little bit of glitter. I don't know if it shows up on camera. on the roller coaster. Some more embellishments. Happiest place ever. I completely agree with that. Some more of that princess paper. More embellishments. Just chock full of cute little embellishments. And here is the third signature. Again, some more of that sweet little paper here with sweet Mickey and Minnie. And we have a top pocket here with some more decorations, some rickrack, cute little stickers. And then I love the sewing on this pocket. And then we have some embellishment up there, Disney sticker. Now here is some fun little just decorative paper. You can make tags out of it. You can, I mean, the sky's the limit with that. Embellishments, side pocket. And then on the center of this one, I have Mickey Mouse and some more embellishments. And then look, I love the zigzagging on this side pocket. Embellishments, lace trim. So this journal is all ready for you to start decorating in and making it your own. It will be listed in my Etsy shop. And there's a link down below. And then you have a fun little library card in the back. All right. So thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you all on the next video. Thanks. Love you all. Bye.